I'm going to show you a few things that I have learned when it comes to gardening. I made mistakes. Leave comments when you find out what I could do to improve, because I could use your help. But the thing about gardening, you got to start. If you don't do it, you're never going to do it. It's best to learn your mistakes now so you'll be a master gardener in the future. So here we go. Enjoy that video. Well, hello. Here goes a quick garden tour of what I got going on. Some of the stuff was from grow bags, this was cucumbers that weren't really successful this year. But what I have now is just some compost that I threw in there for preparing for next year. But this is a 110-gallon tote that I use now as a compost, or not a compost bin, as a raised garden bed. I drilled holes in it. Here's a few onions that I had that were in grow bags, and I transferred them over. I also had potatoes in here. This is a squash plant that has not grown. Some cherry tomatoes, which are still green. I have a lot to learn, so this is a lot of things that you learn as being a newbie, but I'm thankful that I at least tried. I think this was eggplant. I think this is thyme, if I'm correct, with a couple weeds that I got to get out of there. These are some kaleidoscope tomatoes that I got from GrowDaddy, which are still green. Here are some other tomatoes that I'm growing. There's one that is ripe right here. So we'll be picking that one pretty soon. There it is. There's another container. I just threw like some compost in and some onions that I took out of my grow bags and try to transfer them over, but no success right now. I have watermelons in here. Now, as you can see, there's watermelon starting to grow, and there's a little nub right there. And I'm thankful that I at least tried to do this. This is the raised garden bed that I had previously. This one's not successful because the soil was too dry, but I will be making it better for next year because the wood's still good, but I'm no longer using wood when I do my new beds. I'm going to just use the galvanized, the buckets, and those. But I think this was broccoli, but that wasn't really successful. And I have carrots, which you can see, which are growing, which are nice size. But the thing that sucks is that I did not space them out. There's a reason you always space out your vegetables, so you don't have a cluster of your veggies like this. But check out GrowDaddy's channel, and if you want to learn more about gardening, check out Steve from the Garden. He has a great channel. Well, I just want to take time to say thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like my channel. Give the video a like, and you have a great day. Bye.